This video shows the line scan function of the DG613 pipe laser that can be used for beam alignment during second day setup. Press and release the M menu button to enter the menu. Then use the right arrow button to select Line Scan. Press the E-Enter button to start the line scan function. The beam starts moving automatically to the left and right limits. When the beam crosses the target, stop the movement with a quick press of the ESC Escape button. Use the left-right buttons for final beam adjustment to the bullseye center.